Hello everyone, we here want to explain about what we learned from textbook that provide intercultural communication skill. But before that, let me introduce our team. My name is Haliza Ramadhani Pane and there is two my friend is Febri and Camille. And I will explain about textbook that provide intercultural communication skill. Suggest looking for a book designed to teach or improve skill in intercultural communication. This would be a research that over knowledge, strategies, and particular advance on how to effectually communication with people from different cultural backgrounds. The textbook likely includes topics such as cultural difference, communication style, and ways to overcome cultural barrier in communication. That's all for me, and the next will be explained by Febri.
So the title of the book that I found is Intercultural Communications, a Contextual Approach. This is by James W. Neolip. So the overview of this textbook actually provides a comprehensive introduction to the field of intercultural communication. It emphasizes the roles of context in intercultural interactions and cover a broad range of topics. The key features of this book actually first is cultural context, is explore how different cultural contexts influence communication styles and practices. The second one is communication styles, is discusses high context and low context communications, verbal and non-verbal communications differences, and the impact of culture on communication. The theoretical foundation, it introduces key theories and models in intercultural communications such as Hofstede's cultural dimensions and Hall's concept of proxemics. The last one is practical applications, is include real life examples, case studies, and exercise to apply theoretical concept to practical situation. So why is it useful? Actually, it provides a solid foundation in intercultural communications theory and practice, and offers practical insight and tools for effective communication in diverse cultural settings. So textbooks on intercultural communications provide a range of theoretical insight and practical tools to help individuals navigate cultural differences effectively. Whether focusing on cultural awareness, communication styles, conflict resolution, or practical application, these resources are invaluable for developing the skills needs for successful intercultural interaction. By studying these texts, readers can enhance their understanding of cultural dynamics and improve their ability to communicate and collaborate across cultures. So that's my presentation about textbook and research about intercultural. Thank you.
Okay, now I would like to explain about find a textbook that the provide intercultural communication skill, explain all of it. And now a textbook on the intercultural communication skills will the typical have a little that clearly indicates it is the focus on the intercultural communications. The authors of the textbook are usually experts in the fields of the intercultural communication or related disciplines. Introduction to intercultural communications. The textbook will start with an introduction that outlines the importance of the intercultural communication, defines key concepts, and explain relevance developing intercultural communication skill today. Globalist words. Theoretical framework. The textbook will likely present theoretical frameworks and the models that underpins intercultural communication, such as cultural dimension theory, intercultural competence models, and communication accommodation theory. This is the theory provides a foundation for understanding intercultural interactions. Key concept skills. Textbook, we will offer the essential concept and skill related to intercultural communication, including cultural awareness, cultural sensitive, empathy, and effective listening, nonverbal communication, conflict resolutions, and adapting communication skill across the cultures. Case the study and explains to illustrate the concepts and skills. In the practice textbook may include the case study, real what they explain, and scenarios and demonstrate integral communications. Challenge and strategy for effective communication in diverse contexts. Practice exercise and activity. Textbook often include the practical exercise, the activity and reflections question to help the readers apply intercultural communication, assess their own cultural biases, and the practice strategy for improving intercultural interactions. Cultural competence development. The textbook may focus on the development of the cultural competence, emphasizing the importance of the self-awareness, cultural humility, and the continuous learning, enhancing intercultural communication skill. Ethic the consideration. Discussions on the ethical consideration in intercultural communication, such as respect for the cultural difference, avoiding stereotypes, and the promoting inclusive, are the common textbook and communication skills. Researches and the further readings. Textbook often they include the reference to additional researchers, document readings, and online the material for the readers to deepen their understanding of the intercultural communications. Continue their learning journey by on the textbook. Overall, a textbook of intercultural communication skill serves as the comprehensive guide for the developing the knowledge and attitudes that the ability necessary for effective communications across the culture. It equips a reader with the tools to negative cultural difference, build the relationship, and foster understanding diverse and multicultural contexts. Okay, and thank you for our attentions.